Hello friends, in today's video we will learn how to use the Giphy feature on Instagram. So let's start the video, but before starting this video there is a polite reminder: please like this video and subscribe the channel. Go to your Instagram application and make sure that you have logged into your Instagram application. You need to tap on the direct message icon, and here you can find the specific profile to which you want to send the Giphy feature. I have selected this profile. At the right bottom you can see there is a little Giphy icon or a plus icon. Simply tap on this. Here you can see three options. Tap on simply stickers. Here you can find GIF as well as Giphy. So these are the animated pictures which allows you to send to your friends. You may search any Giphy sticker at search bar. So I need to search sticker regarding moon. So here you can see moon Giphy stickers. If you find this video helpful, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.